When it comes to HVAC maintenance, not all contracts are created equally. Imagine relying on a large national provider for your air conditioning maintenance, only to find this in the jack of all trades who spends 5 minutes bashing the filters before calling it a day. You might get a barely legible tick box worksheet, which you have to file yourself, hoping it'll hold up in an audit. But does that kind of service really protect your systems and your investment? At ICE, we know you need more than a cursory clean. Our maintenance contracts are designed to provide full system care that keeps your HVAC equipment running efficiently and compliant with the current F-gas regulations. Here's what sets ICE apart. Yes, we clean your filters because it can save up to 15% on energy costs, but we do so much more. Our engineers conduct comprehensive running checks, measuring indoor and outdoor temperatures, monitoring system pressures, and recording amps so we can see how hard your system is working. We even inspect electrical connections, identify any refrigerant leaks, and assess component wear from fans and louvers to any vibrational issues. With every visit, you receive a detailed digital report for each piece of equipment, including a traffic light condition score so you can easily monitor the health of your systems. And because regular maintenance prevents bacteria buildup, we include the cleaning of evaporator coils, drains, condenser coils and fascias. Our use of specialist fluids improves heat transfer and keeps your equipment running smoothly without odours or dirt that build up on neglected systems. And that's not all. With ICE, you receive a full digital compliance pack, including detailed leak check certificates, refrigerant asset tagging, and a comprehensive asset list with an annual report detailing any refrigerant losses. We handle every detail, making compliance with the F-gas regulations one less thing that you have to worry about. ICE goes beyond the standard HVAC maintenance because we know quality service requires time and expertise. That's why our maintenance clients also benefit from priority call-outs and emergency cover 24/7, 365 days a year. With a dedicated response team and flexible payment options, we are here to keep your systems protected and your operations running smoothly. Ready for a maintenance contract that actually works for you? Let's get started.